Okay, let's look at this a different way now. Mrs. Burnham's, I'm on page 492. Mrs. Burnham's class holds a walkathon to help raise money to update the computer lab. 5 of the students walked, and these are their different distances. One student walked 1, another student walked 2, another student walked, another student walked 4, another student walked 7 miles. The mean distance walked is 3 miles, so that's the average. Complete the dot plot of the data set. So we have 2 people walking 1, 1 person walking 2, 1 person walking 4, 1 person walking 7. Circle the number that represents the mean. The mean was 3. They told us that. The mean distance walked is 3. Complete the table to find the distances of the data points from the mean. Okay. So the first person walked 1, and that was 2 away from the mean or the average, so 3. Another person walked 1, which again was 2 miles away from the mean. Another person walked 4, which was 1 mile away from the mean. Oh, whoops, I'm sorry. This was supposed to be my 2. This was my 2 guy. And that is 1. And then 4, and that is 1 mile away. And then 7 miles, which was 3 miles away. Total the distance from the mean for the values less than. The total distance from the mean for values less than the mean is, so we're separating the data out. These are values less than the mean. These are the ones greater than the mean. So 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5 miles. The total distance from the mean for the values greater, 1 plus 3, which is 4 miles. The total distance of the data values less than the mean is equal to, oh, whoops, is there an error here? Oh, 1, 2, 3, Mr. Music. That should have been 4. You guys probably already saw that. Fixing the mistake again. Equal to, it should be equal to the total distance of the data values greater than the mean. The mean represents a balance point for the data values less than the mean and greater than the mean. So it's a balancing point. The mean is kind of in the middle, not physically in the middle, but value-wise in the middle. Okay, number 3, explain how you found the distance of each data value from the mean. So how did we find this number? Well, we found the difference. I found the difference between, and remember, difference means we just subtracted, between the data point. The data point is just the observed value, so 1, and the mean. And the mean was given to us. The mean was given to us. The mean was 3 miles. So I just found the distance between this observed amount of distance and the mean. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, and then just so I'm not dealing with the negative numbers, 4 minus 3 is 1, 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, number 4, can all the values in a data set be greater than the mean? Explain why or why not. No. Because it would not be a balancing point. right? If all the data were values greater than the mean, and there were none less than the mean, this wouldn't be a balancing point between the two sets of the data. Okay, the mean would have to move over. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.